Hello, boys and girls. This week for reading, we're going to be reading a couple of stories about the 4 seasons in the year. Every year is broken up into 4 seasons, and those are just kind of when different things happen in nature, when the weather changes, and the 4 seasons are winter, spring, summer, and fall. So we're going to be talking about those and the order they go in, and we're going to compare and contrast. That just means we're going to talk about things that are the same and that are different in each season. And we're going to start out today by reading a story called Every Season, just to kind of get us familiar with the 4 seasons and things that happen in each. And then tomorrow we're going to read a book called Jump into January, and we're going to do a little more work with the comparing and contrasting the seasons. All right? So let's read Every Season. This was written by Shelley Rotner and Anne Love Woodall, and the illustrations in this book are actually photographs they took of real people, and Shelley Rotner took the photographs for this book. So let's read Every Season. I love spring, when grass grows green. Speckled eggs fill woven nests. Showers soak, seeds sprout, flowers bloom. Crocuses pop, daffodils open, then lilacs spread their sweet smell. Salamanders slither out from under mossy rocks. Ducklings follow all in a row. We hold lambs, rabbits, puppies, and chicks. Spring is the time to dig and plant. But then summer comes and I love summer too. The sun shines strong and hot. You can wear a straw hat or go barefoot in the grass. Bees sip, frogs hop, butterflies flutter and land. We taste strawberries, lemonade, watermelon, and ice cream. Shore birds scurry and peck. I hear the roar of ocean waves. Summer is the time to splash and swim. But then autumn comes and I love autumn too, and autumn is another word for fall. Winds whip, seeds scatter. We pull up our hoods and zip up our jackets. The leaves turn and fall. Orange maple, red oak, yellow ash. We pick pumpkins, taste apples, pears, and pies. Geese honk and head south. Chipmunks store acorns in a secret spot. Autumn is the time to rake and jump, but then winter comes, and I love winter too. The cold brings icicles and snowflakes that swirl. Winter is the season we're in right now, isn't it? We make snow angels, then sip hot chocolate. Horses grow thick coats to keep warm. Chickadees search for seeds. Snow blankets branches and buds. Animals leave their tracks. We wear hats, mittens, scarves, and skates. Winter is the time to coast and slide. But then spring comes, and I love spring. All right, so that was a little bit about the 4 different seasons: winter, spring, summer, and fall. And we saw different weather in each season. We saw animals doing different things and the people doing different things and wearing different clothes for each season. So we're going to keep talking about this week. I just want you to think after we read today, which of those seasons is your favorite? Which season do you like the best, and why do you like that season the best? So be thinking about that, and we'll talk more tomorrow.